Peace is at the heart of all our work at the United Nations. And we know peace is much more than a world free of war. It means resilient, stable societies where everyone can enjoy fundamental freedoms and thrive rather than struggle to meet basic needs. Today, peace faces a new danger, the climate emergency, which threatens our security, our livelihoods and our lives. That is why it is the focus of this year's International Day of Peace. And it's why I'm convening a Climate Action Summit. This is a global crisis. Only by working together can we make our only home peaceful, prosperous and safe for us and future generations. On this International Day of Peace, I urge all of you, take concrete climate action and demand it of your leaders. This is a race we can and must win.